Welcome to Sankey Flow Show MiniTutorial. This one is about background elements and swim lanes. Sankey Flow Show has an item option called Frozen. You will learn how to apply it. Let us assume that we want to place a kind of a house in the background of our diagram. A very simple house. I take a triangle from the shapes library and a rectangle. Okay, now we have a simple house in the foreground and we want to send it to the background. There are keyboard shortcuts for doing this job. As you may know from other drawing software, all items are located in a layer system and we can move items a layer down, a layer up, or send it to the background. Now we want to continue to work with the foreground items. I click and drag a selector box to select the two items. Please notice that I started dragging from the white diagram surface. But what happens if I start dragging from the background item? As expected, I'm moving the background item. What happens when we add a connection? Do you see the chain symbol on the background item? I'm now connecting the item A to the background item. But this is not what I want, so I press Escape. And there is another small issue. Let us enter the text edit mode. When I press the Tab key, the cursor jumps to the next item. This is a very efficient way to enter item texts. When I press the Tab key again, the text field of the background item is selected. Maybe this is also disturbing sometimes. Sankey Flow Show provides a simple solution to get rid of all these issues. It is the Frozen checkbox in the item properties. After we have checked Frozen for our background items, we can drag a selector box beginning from a point on a background item. We can connect the foreground items and press the Tab key in the text edit mode to jump between A and B. To select the frozen item, just click it without moving the mouse. A typical use case for background items are swim lanes. Workflow diagrams and BPMN diagrams often require swim lanes in the background. We need two rectangles to realize a swim lane. Set a line style and a color. Rotate the text and find a fill color. Press the Control key and drag to clone the swim lane and set the fill colors once again. Clone the swim lanes. Select all swim lanes and send them to back. And finally, check the frozen property. The turn is on you now. Try out what you saw on www.sankeyflowshow.com.